Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you some really cool tips and tricks and settings that you should do whenever you get your Mi Band 4. Some of these may also work on other Xiaomi wearables as well. So guys, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Let's begin the video. So let's start with the watch faces. Now already Mi Band 4 has a lot of watch faces as you can see, but some people may not be satisfied with this catalog. So you can download this third-party app from the Play Store, and here you have a ton of watch faces to choose from. Obviously I cannot show you all of these, but guys, I found some really cool ones. Select your language accordingly, and then I actually found this PUBG theme to be really cool. I mean, I'm sure all the PUBG lovers would love this. So to install this, just download it and click on the install, and this will actually bring up the Mi Fit app that you need to go into, and from there you can select this watch face, which is pretty easy to do. And so as you can see here in the My Band display section, it should pop up, but if it doesn't, then just restart the app. So as you can see, it actually popped up. Now all you have to do is just click and apply it. It takes a few seconds and you should see that updated on the Mi Band 4, as you can see over here. And another cool thing is that it is found on your band's own watch faces section, as you can see. So guys, please don't forget to like this video. So let's move on to the next one. So the second one is the camera control. Now to control the camera, you need to use some third-party apps. So you need to download this app, and for the first time it will ask you for the Bluetooth MAC address, which you can find here in this Mi Band or the Mi Fit settings. Here, go here and click to copy the MAC address and paste it over here. That's pretty much it. You have to again click on the connect, but again remember, it only works with third-party cameras like these ones. So as you can see, it is connected now. Now what I have to do is just go and open the camera app, which is the open camera in my case, and you need to go into the more settings and here select the silent option, and using that it basically helps you control the camera app. So as you can see, whenever I press that button, it will take a photo, as you can see. Let me do that again. So if camera control is really important for you, then it's worth installing these apps. Otherwise, it's up to you guys. The third one is the night mode. Now the Mi Band 4 comes with this beautiful AMOLED screen, which also consumes more battery. So to preserve the battery life, you can actually enable the night mode in the settings. As you can see here, you have a few settings to choose from, but what it essentially does is it dims the display or reduces the brightness at night time automatically based on your settings, so should help in increasing the battery life. So the fourth one is this screen lock. Very simple and straightforward. Just like you have your phone lock on your phone, here it basically locks the screen of the band, so to prevent the accidental touches on the home button. And to do this, go into more settings, and here in these settings you will find the screen lock. Just enable that. Pretty easy and very useful as well. The fifth one is the behavior tagging. Now this is not new to the Mi Band 4. A lot of people actually complain about the band counting steps, especially when riding or transport. The behavior tagging helps developers understand your behavior and improve the algorithm and the software overall. So in a way, I would say it basically helps the band understand you better. So try tagging your transport or driving, so it might improve the accuracy. I did try this tagging a couple of times, but now I cannot really say that for certain that it actually improves the accuracy, but I would say it doesn't really hurt. So do try it out and share your results as well. So the sixth one is the spam control. We all get calls and SMS from unknown numbers, mostly from spam callers. So if the band gets all these notifications with all those vibrations, it can seriously disturb you and also reduce the battery life. So there is a small toggle or setting in the settings app alerts. As you can see in the incoming call alerts, you can actually enable this. What it does is it basically does not notify when it is getting calls from unknown numbers. So it also helps you focus on your work and also increases the battery life. Now the seventh one is the app alerts. Now you may have a lot of app alerts like Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, etc. coming to your band from your phone. So basically there is also another setting where you can actually enable this to reduce the battery consumption. Here, go into the settings over here. Turning this feature on will not send any notifications while you are using the phone, because it will be double notifications. You don't need that. So whenever it is locked only, then it will basically get the notifications to the band, which should again result in better battery life. So the last and final one is the band location. Now you might be tired wearing this watch on your left hand only, and you might want to change it, or some people like to wear it on the right hand. You can definitely do it, but make sure that you actually change that in the settings. Go into the settings here and change accordingly, because if you don't, it might result in reduced accuracy. So do try it out. So if any of these tips and tricks helped you, please like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you soon.